I'd like to start off by introducing our company, Touch Magics Media Private Limited. We are a company based out of Pune, working on interactive media products which aid advertisers to grab attentions of their customers and make an everlasting impact in their mind. Just to give you a little bit background about us, we are a team of 12 people with engineering and R&D based out of Pune, and marketing and operations are based out of Bombay. I am Anup Tapadia, the CTO and founder of Touch Magics. I was fortunate to be the world's youngest Microsoft certified systems engineer solution developer at the age of 14, and was lucky to get handwritten compliments from Bill Gates for that achievement. And after that, I went on for my master's. I have 2 master's degrees in computer science, one from University of California, and the other one is from IIIT Pune. I've been working in the industry for almost last 8 years, and I started my first company when I was 16, and it's been a nice journey since then. And you know, our goal has always been to make Indian products, technology products for the global markets. With me is my friend Mohit Garg, who heads business at Touch Magics. Mohit has a background. He has a master's from Stanford and has an MBA from Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. He recently moved back to India from US. He has more than 11 years of working experience. Recently joined us, Mr. Oded Levanon. He was actually Vice President Sales for a company who makes similar innovative media products based out of Israel, and he's also based out of Israel. Well, coming to the product and what we make, we can convert any surface into an interactive surface, may it be floor, wall, or table. Imagine a football field projected on the ground, and say you can play football on this field with a friend of yours without breaking any glasses or troubling your neighbors. Imagine a projected screen at a mall where there's a nice girl looking at you, and if you go closer to her, she would blow a kiss at you. So we can make all of this happen using the Touch Magics technology. I'll like to take you through a brief video. We have the Magics Floor, the Magics Wall, and the Magics Table. These are the 3 products that we have. And I'd like to just take you through a small video demo. Well, these are our products. I'm sure by now you must have understood the applications of it. We have done installations right from temples to homes to clubs to malls. And we have been mainly working with brands for their events and promotions, and also with a lot of ad agencies. The other applications of this media are into interactive gaming, can be used in education, and this whole other set of applications. Regarding our business model, we are running a franchise-based business model for India, as most of the business is rental. And for abroad, we have distribution channels and distributors presently spread all across the world. And these are just some of the successes that we had since launch. We also have an open SDK kit, which has more than 300 developers all around the world developing content for this platform, because most important thing for this kind of a platform is the content. And we decided to take it open, and there has been a very good response from the community for that. Well, we plan to launch a Magix 3D Sense. It's an immersive reality technology. It has never been seen before, and you people are going to be the first ones to witness it. But unfortunately, the computer doesn't seem to boot up during the demo time. So you can stop by our pit stop in the demo pit, and what we do basically is that we can have tags. Mohit, can we just show them the tag?